Welcome back, musicians. I am so excited for today's lesson. We are going to learn a third note on the recorder, and then we'll play a whole song. Let's get to it. So far, we have learned the fingering for B and A. Today, we're going to add a third note that will lead us to playing a couple of songs. Today's note is G. Are you ready to play? Go through the checklist in your guided notes to be sure. Pause the video while you do this and come back when you're ready. All set? Great. Let's work on playing G. Start with the fingering for A. Now use your left ring finger to cover the third tone hole. That's the fingering for G. Play 3 half notes on G with me. Get in ready position. 1, 2, ready, go. G. Now, let's get ready to play G in a longer rhythm. Clap and count the rhythm with me so we know how long to hold each note for. 1, 2, clap and count. Ta, 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 ta. Whoa! Oh, the second line is a long stretch with no rests. What if you need to take a breath? Let's put in some spots where you can grab a breath if we need one. See the little floating commas? Those are breath marks. They show you where to breathe when there aren't any rests nearby. You just have to make sure they are quick breaths so the rhythm doesn't get thrown off. Okay, you're ready to play this rhythm on G. Take a breath at each rest and breath mark. Don't forget your tonguing. Ready, position. 1, 2, ready, play. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, 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 ta. Wow, well done. You're ready for your first whole song, Hot Cross Buns. It uses the rhythm that we just practiced and all of the pitches that you know how to play. Check it out. There are B's, A's, and G's. These first 2 measures are the same pattern, B, A, G. So let's practice that fingering pattern. Start with the fingering for B. Now add your middle finger for A. And add your ring finger for G. As you add each finger, don't move the others. Let's quiet practice this fingering pattern in rhythm. 2 beats for each note. Use the half rest at the end of the pattern to switch from G back to B. Start with the fingering for B. Ready? Go. B, A, G. Do it again. B, A, G. Nice job. Let's look at the middle section now. What letter pitch do you see in this measure? Yes, that's G. 4 quarter notes in a row. What about the next measure? The pitch has moved up to the space A. So there are 4 quarter notes on G, then 4 quarter notes on A. When you switch from G to A, just pick up your ring finger a little bit and leave your other fingers in place. Say the note names and practice the fingering of these two measures with me. Get your fingering set for G and go. G, 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 A, 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 A. Let's do that one more time since this is a new skill. Start on G and ready, go. G, 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 A, 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 A. Great. Take a look at the last two measures of the song. Notice anything? They're the same as the beginning. B, A, G. You're ready to put the fingering of the whole second line together. After the fourth A, go right to B. 1, 2, ready, go. G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G. In your guided notes, you will find a page about G and a copy of Hot Cross Buns. Pause the video now to complete both pages. For Hot Cross Buns, fill in the letter names of the pitches. Then use quiet practicing to get comfortable with the fingerings. Say the letter names out loud as you practice moving your fingers from one pitch to the next. When you feel comfortable with the fingerings, come back here and we will play the song together. Welcome back. Do you feel comfortable with the fingerings? Excellent. Let's play Hot Cross Buns. Don't forget to use tonguing and breathe at the breath marks. Get into ready position with your fingering set for B. 1, 2, 3, play. I am so impressed with how quickly you have advanced from not playing the recorder at all to playing a whole song. In your lesson materials, there are more ways to practice playing G and Hot Cross Buns. There's also a spot for you to reflect on how well you are playing and to help you decide when you are ready for a new song. You'll be playing a whole bunch of songs in no time. See you soon! Hey.